And the next equation we want to find is a line through the point -10, 2, that has a slope of 2/5. And so what we're going to start off with again is identifying what we're given. And we're given that x1 is -10, and that y1 is 2, and that our slope, or m, is 2/5. And so what we're going to do again is sub into our formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus 1. And this is our point slope formula. And when we do that, we get y minus 2, which is our y1, and is equal to m, which is 2/5, times x minus -10. And when we simplify, we remember that x minus -10 is x plus 10, and we're going to use distributive property. So 2/5 times x is 2/5 x, and 2/5 times 10 is 4. And make sure that you practice your multiplying fractions. And so what we're going to do now is solve for y. To put this into slope y-intercept form, we're going to add 2 to both sides. And we end up with y equals 2/5x plus 6. And that's in slope y-intercept form. So next what we have to do is put this into standard form. And so we're going to subtract y from both sides of the equation in order to isolate all the terms on one side. And we end up with 2/5 x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is not in standard form because a, which is 2/5, is positive, but it is not an integer. So what we have to do is multiply everything in this expression by positive 5. And when we do that, the denominator 5 will cancel, will eliminate that. So 5 times 2/5, and remember you have to multiply everything by 5, so we're multiplying both the left side and the right side by 5. So 5 times 2/5 x is 2x, 5 times -y is -5y, and 5 times 6 is equal to positive 30. And when we multiply 5 times 0, that's just 0. So now we have our equation in standard form.